Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show how to use your Android smartphone or a tablet as an external monitor for your Windows 10 PC. As you can see, over here I have a Windows 10 laptop and an Android phone. So now I'm just going to project my Windows 10 screen to the Android phone. So first thing you need to do is open the link in the description. So when you open the link, it should take you to the Mega Drive. As you can see, it says Mega Drive. So just open that link. And then there should be a file named as Spacedesk. And this should be nearly like 20-25 MB. Just download that. Okay, after it's done downloading, just open the file. As you can see, I have the spacedesk.zip, so I'm just going to extract the file. Okay, if you don't have access to the internet, you can just use this phone folder to download the APK. So anyways, just open the Windows folder and then choose your system architecture. So to see what is your architecture, just click on this PC and see on properties. And over here on the system type, you should see 64-bit or 32-bit. So mine is 64-bit. I'm going to open that and install this application. So I'm just going to install this. Okay, now when it's done installing, on the taskbar you should see an application named as Spacedesk driver. So before that, make sure your internet connection is connected to the phone locally. So in my case, I'm using a hotspot of my phone and connected it to a laptop. So it's connected locally now. Just open the Spacedesk driver and then just keep it running over there. Now on your Android phone, make sure the internet is still connected locally. As you can see, my hotspot is still connected to the computer. Now open the Play Store and then type in Spacedesk. And then it should take you to this multi-monitor display extension screen. So just install that. And after done installing, just open that application. And then you should see the desktop HP. So when you click on that, your phone should go into a black screen like this, and it should take some seconds and then it should be connected.